Hello, welcome to Ligem classes. So here we are going to solve some MCQs on Nawabs of Awadh. Now these are really beautiful and important MCQs. So first we will start discussing about how we will get into these MCQ, how you can explore and navigate to these MCQs. So first of all you know this that you have to go to ligem.com, and in ligem.com you just have to search for RRB Modern History. So basically we are just exploring RRB Modern History. After that, you should know that Nawabs of Awadh, it comes in this part, that is Rise of New Kingdoms. Now, if you have trouble getting into this part, you don't have to worry. The link of this MCQ, the link of the page of this MCQ is available in the description box. Go from there. And technically, there is something you should know, that these MCQs can be solved by yourself also. There is actually no need for this video. It can be done by you also. All you have to do is just learn the video and just explore the video, just make some notes, and after that solve the MCQ. That's all you have to do. Okay, so this is how you go. You just go to the chapter 2, that is Rise of New Kingdoms. And from Rise of New Kingdoms, you will have these MCQs. Okay, so this is how it's done. So let's get started. So this is the first question. Nawab who shifted the capital of Awadh kingdom. Now this is we have discussed many times. The Nawab who shifted the capital was Asafuddaulah. So basically the first option, that is Asafuddaulah, is the correct one. Then we have the second, who was the fourth Nawab of Awadh. Okay, so this is something again we have discussed. The fourth Nawab of Awadh was Asafuddaulah. So we are going to toggle this. Okay, Asafuddaulah. Ahmad Shah Abdali was supported by this Indian Nawab. Okay, so Ahmad Shah Abdali invaded India in 1761. Actually, he invaded India a lot of times. But 1761, there was this Battle of Panipat, the third Battle of Panipat. Okay, the third Battle of Panipat. Ahmad Shah Abdali was supported by this Nawab. Okay, the Nawab who supported Ahmad Shah Abdali was Shuja ud Dawla. So the correct answer is Shuja ud Dawla. Okay. Then we have the fourth question. Shuja ud Dawla was forced to sign this treaty. The treaty that Shuja ud Dawla was forced to sign was by the Britishers was Treaty of Allahabad or Treaty of Banaras. Okay, so the answer is first one, that is Treaty of Allahabad. Now, if you have trouble solving this MCQ, this is because you haven't seen the lecture. Please go and see the lecture, and afterwards you can solve this MCQ by your own. Okay, so let's explore the fifth question. This invader defeated Sadat Khan. So Sadat Khan was the founder of the Nawab of Awadh. He was the founder of the Awadh kingdom. He teamed up with the Muhammad Shah, that is the Mughal ruler. Muhammad Shah and Sadat Khan fought against Nadir Shah. Nadir Shah invaded India and he took Sadat Khan as the prisoner. Sadat Khan was defeated by Nadir Shah. We have already learned this. So the answer is fourth, that is Nadir Shah, option D, who fought Battle of Buxar against Britishers. Okay, so we already know this. The Battle of Buxar was fought by three people against the Britishers. One of them was Nawab of Awadh, the second one was Mughal Emperor, and the third one was Nawab of Bengal. So the correct answer is option C, Nawab of Awadh plus Mughals plus Nawab of Bengal. Easy? Okay. Then we have the seventh question. Mughal Emperor taken as prisoner with Sadat Khan by Nadir Shah. Okay, so this is something we have discussed many times. Nadir Shah was the invader from Persia. He invaded India and the Mughal Emperor was defeated. Along with Sadat Khan, Muhammad Shah, the Mughal Emperor, was taken as a prisoner. So the correct answer is option C, Muhammad Shah. Okay. Then the Battle of Karnal was fought in. Okay, so when Nadir Shah invaded India, there was a pitched battle. Nadir Shah fought against Muhammad Shah and Sadat Khan. And this battle was fought in Karnal. And the Battle of Karnal was fought in 1739. Very important date, 1739. So the correct answer is D, 1739. When was the third Battle of Panipat fought? Now this is a very simple question. This question will come again and again. So the correct answer is 1761. I repeat this again, 1761. Okay, so the correct answer is 1761. The initial capital of Awadh Nawabs was located in. Now, Asafuddaulah shifted the capital from Faizabad to Lucknow. The initial capital of Nawab of Awadh where it was in Faizabad. So the correct answer is Faizabad, option B. Okay, so basically we have checked all of our options, all of our questions. Now let's check our answers if it is right or wrong. So let me just click on finish. Okay, so let's explore. Yes, our answer is 10 out of 10, 100%. Okay, so this is how you can solve. Now 10 days before RRB exam, you are not going to watch this video or the lecture. You just have to look for the PDF, just give a read, and after that solve this MCQ. Your revision will be totally over.